So the goal of our lesson today is going to be solving inequalities. And luckily for you guys, solving an inequality is just like solving an equation, which you are all really good at. There's one difference. When you solve an equation, there's only one number this variable can equal. But when you solve an inequality, there's a whole set of numbers this variable can equal. So I'll show you the similarities and the one difference. So let's review how we'd solve an equation. Remember, your first step to solve an equation like this would be to undo any addition or subtraction. So I can undo adding 6 by subtracting 6. That leaves me with 2x over here, and that leaves me with 14 over here. So I'm going to do the same step with the inequality. I'm going to undo adding 6, and now instead of having 2x equals 14, I have 2x has to be greater than or equal to 14. Now your final step, remember, is undoing the multiplication. So we're going to use division to undo the multiplication. We're going to divide both sides by 2. That leaves me with x over here and 7 over here. So the solution of this equation is x equals 7. X has to equal 7 for this equation to be true. Now with the inequality, I'm going to follow the same steps. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And that gets me a solution of x is greater than or equal to 7. So here's the difference. For this equation to be true, the x has to equal 7. That's the only number it can be. But for this inequality to be true, x either has to be 7 or any number greater than 7. So our solution of this equation is 7. My solution of this inequality is 7 or any number higher than 7.